Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Counting back, we have a 29 out of 30 win rate. Single tick means target 1 reached. It's still profitable and we'll go through that. 2 ticks, target 2 was reached. So just quickly, we'll just run back and have a look at how many of these have 2 ticks. 29 out of 30 win rate with these signals, trading the Aussie yen. 2 ticks, obviously more money in the bag. 1 tick is still money in the bag. And there's a way to trade this, and I'm going to explain that in the video. Very successful trading system. If you're serious about building an account, this is it. Right? Anyway, it goes on and on. So here's how I'm trading this. Let's take the pick of the bunch here. Well, we'll have a look at a couple. Here's the thing. Let's just take all this out. A very specific strategy with this. The alert fires in the alerts log. I'm just setting this up. This is redoing my alerts here. I want the best of the best, the pick of the bunch. And what I'm doing is going through and finding charts where we're getting this high win rate. Some of them are better than others. Some of these charts where there's a lot of volatility up and down, it triggers the breakout. And you want charts that offer a more consistent, sort of steady run. See this? This is not too much, whippiness. It's a nice, smooth trend, good price action. So that's what we were looking for. Right, so I'm going to go through here and I'll be setting up alerts on the best of the best so that when they fire, I'm just going to take the trades regardless. There's no technical analysis, nothing, no higher time frame reference, nothing. We just take every alert, 5-minute chart. So here's how the strategy works. There's a really specific entry criteria that I'm setting up with this. The alert fires, we come in. This is a bullish break, get closer to the action. So what we're looking for with this breakout is the break of structure. How did it occur? Where did it occur? And we've got a break of this high back here. So what we want to do is we want to grab the rectangle. Let's go back and pull a level through, like pick up this range through here, because we're interested in, if this broke out, we're interested in, when it trades back down and we get a touch. Okay, so that occurred here. What we're going to do is we're going to set up along after the breakout. Okay, within a pip or two, that was a touch, but we got a touch back here. Sometimes it may pull back. It might be a shallow pullback and we miss it and it doesn't matter. Okay, let's just assume in this case we got a fill, just for the sake of the video. What we do here is really important. We'll call it a buy off this. Start off, we're going to go with stop loss wherever entry is below the dots. Well, we actually got a fill back here, but that'll do. We're going to measure our target. I'll show you this. This is the trend-based fib extension. There's my settings. You can take a snapshot of that if you like. Pause the video and you've got that. Show you how to use it. Trend-based fib extension. This is it. I've selected it as a favorite in my favorites bar. So we click on the entry, pull it in the direction of the trend, click again, pull it back to our entry and click. And then it gives us this handy little tool, risk reward tool. Target 1 is going to be here, 50% of the stop loss range. Target 2 is here. 1-to-1 risk reward. You can write this down if you want to. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open, if I'm trading MT4, I'm going to open 4 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. I'm going to close 2 of them here at target 1. Once 50% of your position is closed at target 1, pull the stop loss up to be better than break even so that you're in the money regardless. Risk-free trade. As soon as target 2 is reached, stop loss comes up into the cloud here. Right, so target 2 was actually reached back here. So stop loss is going to come up into here. Or you can trail it, like if the price starts moving, you can just start to shift your stop loss and trail the cloud. About halfway through the cloud. Wherever price is, if that's where your price is, your stop loss will be halfway through. Price is here, your stop loss is here. So the last remaining position, we trail it. Okay, so you open 4 positions. 2 get closed, stop loss comes up to better than break even. 1 gets closed, stop loss follows the cloud, and that's a profitable trade. We just follow the cloud until the cloud closes, and there's your exit. Same thing with every other one of these trades, regardless. This one, it's profitable by the time you've closed target 2 here, you're well and truly in the money. And these ones where you don't get a decent run, doesn't really matter. You've still made money. Just keep banking your money. So that's one approach. You can do that. See, here's another one, and then you get a bit of a run out of it. That's plan A. Plan B is you close everything if you want to at target 2. That's up to you. Consider this. If you don't want to be messing around coming back into the chart, trailing stop losses and what have you. Entry, target 2, okay, target 1. You got 4 open positions, close 2 of them, stop loss up, risk-free trade, close the other 2, and you're out. Now what you can do is you can go back on the chart and just see how many times target 2 is reached, and if it's viable. Target 1 is still going to be break even or better, and target 2, take your money and run. I don't mind that idea at all. In that case, you can open 2 positions. One to close at target 1 and one to close at target 2. Keep it simple. And it's the same entry rules of engagement no matter what. Once more, here's the short. We've got it all already laid out. But we've got a breakout. We'll look left, set up our entry here. Stop loss above the dots. Find our target 1, target 2. Okay, let's just say you open 2 positions. Close 1 here. Stop loss down to better than break even. Close number 2 here. And that's it. You're finished. So it's just a matter of going back through, having a look at them and just seeing how many of these where target 2 is reached. And you can see here it far outweighs. Target 1 is going to be in the money anyway, slightly. It's better than break even. Alright, so target 2, if you want to do that, that's no problem at all. Okay, 20, what was it? I think we had one losing trade. And, it doesn't matter. I mean, the pips involved here are minimal compared to the gains. 29 out of 30. Okay, that's extraordinary. Okay, guys, join me. Go to my website. There's your options. Join Discord. The link is below. With that, safe trading, and see you in the next video.